last night I went fishing by myself, and Mr. Jones and a good friend of mine, Andy Lee, went fishing. And I must have been on the wrong lake. Because what happened last night, Mr. Jones?
Andy Lee had 27.5 pounds on his personal best 5 fish.
Say what?
27.5 pounds, 5 fish.
What did he catch?
Largemouth bass.
What did he catch him on?
The jackhammer.
The jackhammer. In 40-degree water, he caught fish on a jackhammer.
Yes.
Seriously.
Yeah, behind me. They wouldn't touch anything I threw.
So, what happened to you last night is what happened to me the other day.
That could be said.
Well, you deserve that. He deserved that. Well, tonight we're back at the scene of the crime. However, the conditions are much different. The air temperature is 40 degrees, 41 degrees. The wind's blowing. We're going to go find out if they're going to bite a jackhammer again. There he is. Tried to hit spot lock a couple times, but no do it. And there he is. Look what's in his oh! Fish number 1 going to the scale. That fish is 2.11. Number 1 on the jackhammer. 43-degree water. Crazy. Another one. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger. Oh, get in the boat. 2 and something. You see where I caught him? What are you gonna go, guy? Almost 3. That one is a 295. Is there another one back there? You got a fish, Jonesy?
Finally.
What you got?
Baby.
Is he a keeper?
He might be.
Keeper, Jonesy?
I think so. He might go 2.5, maybe 3. I'd swing him, but you know.
Light line?
Yeah, light line.
Hold him up, then we'll weigh him. Let's take a look. What'd you catch him on?
I don't know. What is that?
Frickin' swim bait?
Swimmy.
They're biting jackhammers, not swim baits.
Huh.
That's a nice one. Let's weigh him up. Fish number 3 by Mr. Jonesy. Currently, that's big bass of the night. 3.10. Nice job, Jonesy. Jonesy! We're going to have to switch sides of the boat again there, Jonesy. Take a look, Jonesy. What'd you catch him on? Oh, that one looks like he's short, Jonesy. Nice job.
He's long.
Got another one?
Yeah, well, it might keep.
Keeper number 4? Oh, yeah.
I think so.
Uh-oh. Did that just get you a quarter? Let's see him, Jones. What was he on? Yeah, he's a keeper. What was he on? Another stinking Keitech? Come on, Jonesy. Yes, I do. This one, Jonesy.
I'm starting to pattern them now that I'm here on the left.
This one weighs. Ooh, that's a big one. That's a
1.5.
1.58. Good guess. Wait, you know what?
Okay.
That angle sucks over there. Oh, I got grilled right away.
I can't get there now. It's a little heavy.
Well, as soon as I catch one, you can have it back. Until then,
I'm good. I'm okay now.
until then, we're trading. Number 5. Big. Oh. Oh! There's another jackhammer fish. Jonesy! Oh, number 5!
Oh, he's
In the boat!
funny enough, he keeps.
Look at that.
Little skinny thing.
So hungry. He said,
Yum yums.
like me some jackhammer. Let's see what number 5 is. Number 5, that puts us at 205. But more importantly, you know what that puts us at, Jonesy? That means 3 keepers to 2 keepers. Am I right?
Yeah. I am fishing handicaps with the hook without a barb and
what?
well, really without a hook.
Go ahead, bring on the excuses, Jones. You're doing what?
Fishing without a barb, no hook. Matter of fact, I just have to hope they keep their mouth closed.
Oh my goodness. Okay, first 5 in the boat. 11.81. That's the first 5 keepers we've caught so far. That limit would be looking a whole lot better with that one you boneheaded. That first one was right around here somewhere. Oh my God!
Get him?
I don't think so.
What's the heck, Mr. Wagner?
No, I got him. Oh no. What you got, Jones?
I got a little one. He's running right at us. He might be getting bigger, but oh, he's getting a little bigger. He's not very big.
He's just a little guy.
Just a little one, but he ran at us.
I think he's a keeper?
He probably keeps.
Yeah, he's a keeper.
He wanted the bait. He took it right off the hook.
Get that one?
Yeah, you want him?
Oh.
Ooh, big end.
Oh. About a 5-pounder, wasn't it? Good one? You got a color or no?
I don't know if it's our big, our little one right now.
2.1 something.
I don't think this is any bigger.
That is not a bass.
I got a dog.
That's a quarter, Jonesy.
I got a quarter.
He got a dog.
I want to touch him, Dad.
Bring him up in the boat.
Roof.
Ooh, boo.
I'll just cut your line.
Nice job, Jonesy. Wonder if I can throw Ned up there. All right. Come here, Nedley. How about Ned Cross? Here's what I got first. I don't know if I'll get him out of there. It's a dang 6-pound test. I got Nedley there right below you if you wanted to. There we go. On Ned. And Ned Cross. I don't think he's very big. What'd I do? Oh,
That dog's hunting.
that's a short. That's my first short, Jones. Or no, is that my second short? 5 keepers and 2 shorts. What do you got? 3 keepers. 3 keepers. Well, guys, a little short after work Friday afternoon trip with my man Jonesy. Say hi, Jonesy.
Hello.
It went okay. We had a 5-fish limit that went 13.91 pounds, if you can see that. 13.91 pounds. Big fish was 368. So I won the quarterback for big fish from Jonesy. I caught 5 keepers. He caught 3 keepers. But he had 6 shorts, so he had a total of 9. I had 2 shorts, so I had a total of 7. Now, in my opinion, I should win the quarter for most fish. What do you think?
Tiebreaker's junk.
He did have junk fish. He had a dandy, little tiny dogfish. So, tonight we're going to say I caught first fish and big fish, so I got 50 cents. Brad caught junk fish and most fish, so he got 50 cents. So it's dead even. So as of the last event, I owe him $1. once again, guys, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. And God bless.